In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable color filters on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you have a color blind problem or you hardly differentiate between colors, you can just enable color filters to aid your reading. So if you're not on this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on color filters on your Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the icon once to go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate the settings app and click on it. Then once you click on that, scroll down and go to accessibility. On the accessibility page, just scroll down until you get to color filters. Click on it, then turn on color filters. Once turn on color filters, you have options available here: the grayscale, red and green filter, green and red filter, blue and yellow filter. And once you selected the filter you want to use, you just come down here and increase the filter intensity or reduce the color filter intensity. See that? So that's how you can easily turn on color filters on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.